Yes, I know plenty of YouTubers have already made videos on this, but if you want your insert name of at-risk family member here to survive, then you better zip it and listen up. If you've even looked at the news for 5 seconds recently, you may know that us as humans are going for a bit of a awkward situation right now. But now, thankfully, there's a way for you to use a PC to fight against it. Basically, there's this online project called Folding at Home, which uses your computer's horsepower to simulate proteins as a way to drive scientific research and help us find a cure. Now, it's been already widely promoted along the whole PC community online because, well, it's a great cause. And seeing how many people have leftover mining rigs now, it's also great because they finally have a use again. So the way it works is rather simple. You just go to the website, which I have linked down below, sign up, download a program, and click start, and there we go, you'll begin folding. Though keep in mind it does use a lot of your PC's power, so if you try to play games at the same time, don't complain if your frame rates drop to single digits. So in essence, it's very similar to mining, but of course with the main difference being that instead of just getting enough money a month to tip a Starbucks waitress, you instead, are helping to stop the pandemic. So it's a nice alternative, I would say. So yeah, like I said, go and check it out, start folding, and help save us all. And if you happen to need a new PC, either for folding or because you have nothing better to do because you're all stuck at home right now, then I recommend our service, Avrona Systems, which is linked down in the video description below. Basically, we offer PCs at a way lower price without sacrificing on quality or performance, which is basically a win-win. So if you're based in the UK, it's kind of the obvious choice, especially seeing how you probably have nothing better to spend your money on, seeing how, pretty much everywhere is closed. And if you still don't have anything else to spend your money on, then I highly recommend checking out my Patreon, where you can donate as little as $1 a month to help my channel and allow me to make way better videos and videos on way more interesting topics. And speaking of which, I'd like to thank my patrons Barry Yule, and also an extra special thank you to Ryan Douglas. Thank you to ever so much. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.